How'll do, folks? All right, so we're looking at the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday volume today, and it will be a very short video today. That I promise. Just a real quick recap, nothing really to speak of. We had the market trade down almost to the order block in here, closing up in this imbalance. I mentioned that last week. Small little continuation up into consequent encroachment of the old buy side balance, sell side inefficiency, fair value gap over here. And it stopped essentially there for the day, which isn't saying much because it's holiday volume. So we'll have to see what we get in regards to continuation either direction. I don't think that coming back down in here is needed unless it's going to go lower. Okay, so if it goes lower and trades back into this range here, it will want to work below this low, and it may need to go into this a little bit deeper. Okay, because the only thing supporting this is that wick. Continuation on the upside, I'd prefer if it was going to go bullish to trade higher, come back down and find some support inside the old imbalance over here. Okay, standard protocol for that. Dollar index hourly chart. Imbalance in here still has my attention. Again, I would have rather seen it hit that low at 62, but it's okay. We've seen it work the higher premium fair value gap. Again, consequent encroachment here, and just hugging the premium low of that. So we'll see if it wants to make an attempt to rally. We have buy side liquidity resting above here. All right, 15-minute time frame on dollar. Again, just a quiet session. Drop down with juice into London. Order block, 2 consecutive down close candles. Hits that, rallies, clears the highs, and then consolidates around that premium low on that old premium fair value gap on the daily chart. Euro dollar daily chart worked into the bearish order block. It did sweep through it, cleaned up a little bit of that range right in there, and then has since moved back into the old SIBI here. So I don't know. Okay, like I said, we're on volume that's very light, and the market has observed a bank holiday today, so it's hard to put any kind of real emphasis on anything you see today. So we are waiting for more information. If you look at the economic calendar, by the way, Wednesday and Thursday are the only real days of interest to me based on the medium impact and high impact drivers that are made available. So I'll let you take a look at that. All right, here's Euro dollar hourly chart. And again, just a consolidation, not really doing too much. If we do break lower and we have higher prices in dollar, look at this over here. That may be what it needs to come back down and trade into. Now, I think that if it goes to that, that would just create like more momentum to dig in below here for the sell side and then clean this little area up over here. 15-minute time frame, again, just a consolidation day. Small little Judas into London, sells off. Small little optimal trade entry here before rolling over into New York, and then New York was basically a snooze fest. Didn't do anything but just tread water. Pound dollar daily chart. Again, I mentioned this imbalance here. If it goes there after that, I wouldn't know what to expect. I'd have to just sit and wait. And we've had a retracement back into the buy side of balance, sell side inefficiency here. And again, it's hard to get a read on this one. Like, I don't know what it wants to do, and I don't know what it's going to draw for next. So because of that, I have to keep my hands off of it. Pound dollar hourly chart. Again, just a sell off, attacking sell side liquidity, rebalancing the buy side over here. So all of this busy, rebalanced here. And finally, the 15-minute time frame on pound dollar. Small little rally into London. Again, sell off into New York. Small little retracement, and then snooze fest into the close for the day. So again, observing Martin Luther King and a bank holiday. So quiet, real quiet when it's paired up with the dollar. So that's going to be it. Equities also were on hold in observance of Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. So we'll have to wait and see what we get on Tuesday's trading to get any further insights in that market asset class as well. Until I talk to you tomorrow, be safe. Just didn't quite get above. that some of the 2021 group members, because they rushed through the content, they missed it. So it'll be a shortcut, right to the point understanding of market structure shifts and the influence of liquidity over all that, using that model. And then I'll bridge the gap between what I teach there on Wednesday in the midweek review. And I'll probably talk about another PD array if I can find a way to squeeze all of it in one short little video like you're used to. I know, I'm being facetious. All right, with that, we're going to close it and I'll catch up with you tomorrow.